establish the Green Hills Mall before the shops with ingredients. Here in the Green Hills Mall, Sunny Studios. And the third floor. Oh, Toby Sport, meron din sila guys. Tsaka yun, Planet Sports Asia, meron din sila. And guys, so Game 1 Tech Store, meron din sila oh. Yan guys, dito sa Green Hills Mall. Yan oh. May silang Gundam card game oh. Limited edition grips. Wala ko tayo. Ayun oh, Pikachu headphone no, Nintendo Switch. Ayun oh, PlayStation racing wheels and pedals, meron din sila sa Game 1 oh. Game Boy, yan meron din sila oh. Yan dito sa Game 1 Tech Store. Ayun guys, dito sa Data Blitz oh. Kahit di na tayo pumasok guys, okay lang. Dito ko na lang titingin yung mga tinda nila oh. Ayan guys, so meron sila ngayon PS5 games, ang dami oh. Ayan guys, so ayan oh, mula baba meron sila. Ayun mga Nintendo games oh, may stock sila. Guys, meron sila nung ano Minecraft backpack bodies. Ayan oh, 9 to toy collect. Ayan oh, ang cute guys oh. Meron din sila, ayan si Steve Light ng Icons. Ang ganda oh guys. Tsaka yung Super Mario, Super Mushroom Light. Ayan oh, meron din sila oh. Cute oh guys oh. Harry Potter. Oh, Creeper. Meron din sila. May figure din silang Final Fantasy guys oh. 4,995 lang. Hindi ko nakita guys oh. Hindi nakikita. Ayun, Final Fantasy The Lock. Figure oh. Guys, nasa 4th floor tayo ng Green Hills Mall guys, pero may nakita akong ano, Lego sa Toy Kingdom yan guys oh. Sa babayan guys, so yun oh. Ayun guys oh. Di pa tayo guys, para makita natin. Ayun guys, so Lego meet and greet pala yun guys. So ayan oh. Ang cute guys. Oh. Ganda guys, ang cute oh. Oh guys, so greatatoyonline.com. May shop din sila dito sa Green Hills Mall. Yan na guys, so Gundam. Oh. And then ito ay Kamen Rider guys oh. Ang ganda guys oh. Dragon Balls. Oh. Ayun guys oh, Gundam. Gundam Voltes 5 pala yan oh. Ayun guys, pumasok tayo. Nakita natin yung mga tinda nila oh. Ganda guys. Ayun guys, yung ano nila oh. Ito yung SH figure arts nila. Ayan oh. Dragon Balls. Ayan. Ayan sila out of the packaging oh. Siyempre Gundam. Tamashii Nations. Ito guys, ang ganda oh. Actually, ito naman yung figure arts nilang, yun, may One Piece, ano, Naruto. Ano, One Piece. Ay, si Naruto. Hindi mo makita guys, ayan. And then, Soul of Chokugin. Chogokin pala. Ayan guys, oh. Justice League. Oh guys, si Batman, oh. Ang ganda. Ayun guys, Batman vs Superman, Bat Armored. Ayun guys. Hindi nga lang McFarlane yun guys. Ayun guys si Superman, no? Napakaganda oh guys. Oh. Ang cute. Ayun guys, yan yung Star Wars Black Series. Hindi ko kilala masyado ang Star Wars, kaya guys, ito lang kilala ko guys, si Chewbacca. Ayun oh. Ganda oh guys. Ayun oh. Marvel Legend. Ayun guys, si Miss Stick sa X-Men. Ayun guys, so yung unang Spider-Man no, 1977 no. Ayun. Oh, ang ganda guys. Ayun guys, Star Wars Black Series. And then X-Men no. I'm Marvel Legend guys, 2 packs. Ayun guys, so may fix. Ayun guys, may effects. Batman Hush. Yung guys, may favorite to guys. Oh. Kano guys? 4350. Ayun guys. And then siya oh. Ay just guys, ayun yung Iron Man oh. May effects Iron Man. Ayun guys, Nightmare Batman may effects oh. Ganda guys. Guys, labas na tayo guys. Oh! Ang dami. Ayan guys, so may toy shop rin sila guys. Puro hot toys nga lang to. Joker from the Dark Knight. Astig. Guys. Philbar guys. Meron din sila. Ayan, Philbar's Multiverse. Push tayo guys. Ayun guys, Hot Toys, Iron Man, Tony Stark, Iron Man 2. Ayun guys, Nightmare Batman. And then Spider-Man. Ito guys, ang ganda oh. Perfect collection oh. Ayun guys. Excuse me. It's okay. Block isa. Yung Transformer. 399. Blockis to yung meron na ako guys eh. Ayun guys, parang DC Multiverse. Ito yung gusto ko guys. Batman Bethlehem no. 1699 lang siya. Ang ganda guys oh. Oh ganda guys. Supergirl Quality Collector Edition. Just these two Batman. Ganda guys. Meron din sila ano guys, blister pack. At syempre ito si Aquaman, Justice League, Endless Winter. Ganda guys oh. So yun guys, so nakatingin tayo dito sa Green Hills Mall ng toys. At yun, baka balik na ako sa Shopsville guys. Baka or ano, kung balik tayo sa Shopsville sa kabilang mall ng Green Hills. Sa kabilang Green Hills guys. Yun guys, so maya tayo balik sa Shopsville Green Hills. So yun guys, nakita ko may Toy Kingdom. Tingin tayo guys. May Toy Kingdom din sila. Pasok tayo. Let's go! Hanapin natin guys yung ano guys, yung paborito ko, yung McFarlane. Asan dito yun? McFarlane DC Multiverse. Ayun! McFarlane guys, ayun o. Tara. May 2 packs sila guys. Oh, mas. Oh, angas guys ah. Ulit natin. Ayun. Ang ganda. Oh. The Mercury and the Batman hold up. 5-3 guys. Oh. Meron din sila nung The Joker and Punchline. Ayun na guys. Ang ganda na ng suits ni Punchline. Oh. Ayun sa picture at the back. Ganda guys. Oh. Solid. 3,099. Ayan guys, Supergirl. Uy, ina naman guys, nakita ko na naman yung gusto ko auto. Same price lang, 1,699. Sheesh, kaso wala siyang accessories talaga guys. Oh, Hot Wheels. Ayun guys, so Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels section. Much speeder. Lotus. Let's go, solid to guys. Ganda oh. And then 1974 Escort. Oh guys, so ang ganda oh. Oh. And then 1955 Chevy. Oh, and then 1964 Lincoln Continental. Sport guys, Sport. Oh, nice. Oh guys, so Batmobile. Batmobile 129 lang guys yung mainline. Bus tayo guys. Marvels. Ayan si Spider-Man, si Iron Man. Like na tayo guys. Like, right. You guys, pa-shops bills na. Let's go. Alright. Yung shops bill. Let's go. Alright. This is it. Ay, wala na yung isang store. Wala na. Guys, this is it. A collectible store. Ayan guys, Hot Wheels. Ang ganda oh. Oh, si Shrek oh. Hot Wheels. 80 to 99 each oh. Ah, yung nasa baba, yung nakasabit yun yung mahal. Ito. Eh, ito guys, blockies oh. Ayan guys. Look. And Big Boys Toy Store XL. I guess Bill Bar. Pasok tayo. Ayun, yung gusto ko guys. Ito yung McFarlane oh. The Joker. Nice. Yung guys, so blockies oh. 90 talaga, 99 pesos lang. Oh, yun. Ang sabihin nito, other set. Pas tayo. Big Boy. Hot Wheels guys, kaso mga fantasy car.
Kung bibili sa store.
Oh, yun guys. Scarecrow. Scarecrow guys. Ganda oh. Ito yung sa Batman Begins. Scarecrow. Ito guys yung meron na ako. Batman Orange Suit. Yung 3 packs, Nightwing versus Talon. 4495. Basta tayo guys. Bago tayo lumabas pala. Ito muna. Mga Funko Pop. Hot Wheels. Star Wars Hot Wheels. Mga Funko Pop. Ang cute oh. Labas na tayo guys. Guys, balat ay mga saan pa guys? Fun have cards and toy collectibles. Oh. Oh guys, oh, nabalikan na naman natin oh. Oh, Megan oh. Ang ganda guys, oh, Megan. Ang laki oh. 40,000 na siya guys oh. Ano, Marvel Legends. Voltes 5 oh. Then Marvel Legends. Guys, ano nila oh. Blister pack nila oh. Ayan. Batman Hash. Guys, happy corner tayo. Kahit saan tayong saan yun. Ayun, Hobby Corner. Collectibles. Ayun, Batman. Awesome. Ayun guys, yung incorporated Batman. Hindi, meron pa sila. Tsaka ito guys. Ito yung meron na ako guys. Mababa tayo. Kaya pala tayo guys dito.
Hindi ko pa nga
Oh.
ay ko naman sa ito.
Alright. Okay guys, kaya tala tayo. Ano, hype beast. Oh, meron silang make. Awesome. Ayan, si Red Hood. Banda. Gaga na. Ayan guys, nasa kaya. Toys. Ooh, inside. Yeah, all McFarlane is a multiverse. Ganda. Dropping. Nice. Baba na. Balik na tayo guys. May many stock. Let's go. Alright. Tapos na. Let's go. Basta tayo. Hey guys. Let's go. I gotta go home, guys.